The Edo State Governorship Election Tribunal on Monday don adjourn the hearing of the 7 petition before am go Wednesday, January 15, 2025. The case dem includes suit number EPT/ED/GOV/01/2024 Accord Party vs INEC, Okpewolo and APC. Suit number EPT/ED/GOV/02/2024 PDP and Ighodalo vs INEC, Okpewolo and APC. Other case involve Alliance Party, SDP, Allied People's Movement, ADP and Zenith Labour Party against INEC, Okpewolo and APC. The tribunal make the decision after the first and second respondent lawyers INEC and Monday Okpewolo asked for adjournment sake of say dem get other matter for the Supreme Court. The tribunal secretary read the letter wey the respondents submit for adjournment, and the letter talk say the reason wey dem dey ask for adjournment na sake of the lawyer for the second respondent get matter for Supreme Court on January 14, 2024. They come back the Honorable Tribunal and confirm say all the lawyers and parties don't get the information through email and WhatsApp. For the tribunal sitting for Benin City, all the parties and their lawyers show up and they make appearance with the court permission. The state legal advisor for the All Progressive Congress APC for in talk with Tori people come talk say
today ordinarily was supposed to have commenced hearing proper in most petitions, but the counsel to the first and the second respondents wrote to court asking that the matter be adjourned to on Wednesday, 15th day of January 2025, because they are before the Supreme Court. But as they did this, they also communicated this fact to other lawyers and other matters. So by the agreement of all the lawyers, this matter was adjourned to the 15th. All the matters, not one. All the petitions were adjourned to the 15th day of January 2025 for hearing. You know, when you have a matter at the Supreme Court, that's the apex court, and at the Supreme Court, their matters were slated for definite hearing, and so they must appear before the Supreme Court. That's it. So what they did was to go to the apex court, and then go and answer them there.
Thank you.
Okoro Stephen Esquire, the State Legal Advisor, APC, Edo State.
The tribunal, after them see all the parties don't agree, accept the adjournment request and come reschedule the case to January 15, 2025. The tribunal come finish for the day as them rise. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.